Child, I've been working for 4 hours and it's been so busy.
Super busy. I've only got tipped like $15 this whole entire time.
I swear, they've already returned 3 dishes back into the kitchen because the customers weren't satisfied. There's no reason for it.
And it doesn't help that Chef Allison is breathing down our neck every single time.
It really doesn't. I mean, she's been coming in every few minutes to rush me, plating the food, cooking the food, and I'm just so fed up with it. I just wish the conditions were better. I mean, it's so rigid and focused on productivity, but what about us? We're the ones keeping this whole place afloat.
I've been tired lately too, but this job is paying my bills. I feel like if I leave or go against Chef Allison's rules, I'm gonna be left without a job. No money on my card.
And the thing is, I cannot afford to lose your job. I have a family to tend to, and I also have another one on the way.
But what good does complying for the company do for us? I mean, we deserve to be treated like humans, not machines. I mean, when was the last time that you were able to take some time for yourself?
Child, I don't even know. And what about you? When was the last time you was able to take some time for yourself?
Sous checker needed. Sorry, guys. Gotta go.
Bye, baby.
Hey, what's going on? I'm hearing a lot of chattering, not enough work. Customers are lining outside. Get it together. Let's go.
Yes, Chef.
Don't bother me, I'm working. 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 Don't working.
Can't you see I'm on the phone? Don't be coming over here with that shit when I'm
Working.
Call me Mr. Combs and I'm 9 digits strong. Hating on me, but it's 9.
Working.
When I was 19, I walked in the house and I told my mama she could stop.
Working.
When you just the beatbox on the block, Big and D-Rock, they was getting that.
Working.
Then I linked up with some from my hood who was known for putting that.
Working.
And if your record ain't had 9, then your song wasn't.
Working.
Ran into this young Joan, tell her come home, she asked for a check, I said, is you?
Working.
Now every time she call, I don't even pick up, I just hit her with the text line.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Yeah, coming in. Wake 'em up, wake 'em up. Wake 'em up, wake 'em up. See him still sleeping, so I had to shake 'em up. I kept it too real. I wasn't fake enough. My real life was a headline. Your real life got a deadline. My timeline was a hashtag. Your timeline just a hate crime. Coming in hot, feeling like pop. Back in line 4 when he took 5 shots. Too much drive to ride your wave. Ditch my top and I'm off that lot. Black on black on black on black on black on black on black. You don't have to ball a rap to get them racks on racks. Uber poolers trying to catch my vibe and find my way. Yeah, I know I'm ratchet, but I'm really safe. Hot sauce dripping. Everybody wanna start dipping. First nobody wanna listen. Now everybody pay attention. Now everybody pay fee. Even Trump gotta take a knee. When the horn blow, y'all gon' see. Make the wall fall down like, yeah.
Is there a problem? Aren't you supposed to be on break?
I'm tired of you treating us like mindless robots. It's not right.
Ugh, you'll just have to deal with it.
Nonsense.
Hands up, hands high. got screaming if I blow you with the band. Going off my chest when I'm banging on the dashboard. My chain hits my chest when I'm banging on the radio. Chain hits my chest when I'm banging on the dashboard. My chain hits my chest when I'm banging on the radio. Chain hits my chest when I'm banging.
Why does it have to be this way? There's only so much more of this I can take.
Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. Just so much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free. Holding on.
Why is everything so heavy?
Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. So much more than I can carry.
Oh shoot!
Aren't you late?
I need to talk to you. Us workers can't continue to work in these conditions. I know it was different for you back then, but it's 2022. All we're asking for is basic respect, and heck, maybe even a raise.
I guess times really have changed. Moving forward, I'll do my part to make this job less taxing on you all.
Thank you, Chef.
Move out the way. I'm with my girls and we all need space. When the queen come through, fly like the rest say. Move out the way. How many times I'ma say it? It's a home run with the team touch biz.
Rock up, bitch, rock up, bitch, rock up. Humble like reaper, they come up. Don't make it turn into trouble. Cause we coming straight out the jungle. Rock up, bitch, rock up, bitch, rock up. Humble like reaper, they come up. Don't make it turn into trouble. Cause we coming straight out the jungle.
Move, 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 move. Yeah, you gotta move, move. Anything you do will be held against you. You have to move, 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 move. Scoot off, make room. Stampede coming through. Big boss on the move, yeah.
DJ, please pick up your phone. I'm on the request.
This is a Missy and one-time exclusive.